He was a skeleton with the skin drawn tight over his bones. Means that the lawyer's body was looking like a skeleton. Means he became so thin with long curls, and his hairs had become long like a woman's hair, and a shaggy beard, and his beard was also not in a proper shape. His face was yellow. Lawyer's face color has turned to yellow with an earthy tint in it, with the texture of earth in his face. His cheeks were hollow, even his cheeks became thin, his back long and narrow, and the hand on which his shaggy head, shaggy meaning is long, thick, rough hair, means his uncut head or uncut hairs was was so thin. Propped meaning is spotted, means how he had kept his head on his hand. They were also looking very thin and delicate. Delicate meaning is very weak, that it was dreadful to look at it, means it was looking very terrible to look towards a lawyer's appearance. His hair was already streaked with silver. Streaked meaning is marks, or there were the stripes of the silver color on his hair, means his hair color had started changing into the gray hairs. And seeing his emaciated meaning is lost weight, aged looking face, no one would have believed that he was only 40 years. Means by looking at his appearance, by looking at the gray hairs or his aged looking face, no one would believe that the lawyer was just of 40 years. He was asleep, and the lawyer was in a deep slumber, deep sleep. In front of his bald head there lay on the table a sheet of paper, and where he had kept his head, where the lawyer has kept his head, in front of him on the table there was one sheet of paper on which there was something written in fine handwriting, in good handwriting. Something was written on that paper. Poor creature, thought the banker, he is asleep and most likely demanding of the millions, and he was most likely dreaming of the million. He is fast asleep, he is in deep sleep, and he was dreaming about the millions which he would get in the next day when the bet will over. And I have only to take this half dead man, throw him on the bed. Then the banker thought that it would be easy for him to kill this half dead man who is in deep sleep. He would throw him on the bed, stifle meaning is suffocate him with a little pillow, suffocate him a little with the pillow. And the most conscientious expert, conscientious meaning is always trying to do the right thing. Expert means even the expert would not find no sign would find no sign of a violent. That means no one would be able to recognize that someone had killed him. But let us first read what he has written there. But before killing him, banker thought to read the paper which was in front of the lawyer. The banker took the page from the table and read as follows. What was written in that letter? Tomorrow at 12 o'clock, I regain meaning is will get back my freedom. Lawyer said at the next day at 12 o'clock he would get his freedom and right to associate with other men. Associate meaning is mix with other people. He would be able to meet other people. But before I leave this room and see the sunshine, I think it necessary to say a few words. And before going out from this room, before seeing the sunlight, he said he wanted to share some words with the banker. With a clear conscience, I tell you, as before God, and he took the oath before God, who beholds me, who had uh, made him alive, who had kept him alive, means he took the oath of the God that who had kept him alive for these 15 years. He said that I despise freedom. Despise meaning is hate. That after these 15 years, when he was going to get his freedom back, he said he started hating freedom and life. Even he hate his life, health, and all that in your books. Even whatever it was written in the books is called the good thing of the word, means whatever things are there in the word, he hated these all things. He said, for 15 years I have been intentionally meaning is with interest, studying earthly life. Earthly life meaning is the life related to this world. It is true, I have not seen the earth nor men. Means from these 15 years, he said he hadn't seen any the outside world. He hadn't met any men or any people, but in your book I have met people. Means from the books which he had read, he said he had met the people. He had experienced good and bad happenings of the world, and from these books he had seen the sun rise, and even he had watched it at evening flood the sky. Means the evening sun, when the sun was setting, how it is covering the whole sky and changing the color. He had seen the oceans, the mountain tops, which were covered with gold or the crimson color due to the sun setting of the sun. Crimson meaning is red color. He said he had seen these all things, he had experienced these all things through the books which he had read. I have watched from there the lightning flashing over my head, and even he had seen as that the lightning was flashing over his head in the sky and cleaving meaning is dividing by sharp blow. And he had even see that how it is dividing the stormy clouds. I have seen green forest, fields, rivers, lakes, towns. I have heard the bleating of the sheep. Bleating meaning is sound of the sheep, and strains of the shepherd's pipe. Strain meaning is sound of the shepherd's pipe which he was using to feed his animals. He said he had seen these all things through the books, by reading from the books. And further he said, your books have given me wisdom. Wisdom meaning is intelligence. And he said after reading these books he became intelligent, he got a lot of knowledge. All that the unresting thoughts of a man has created in the ages is compressed meaning is pressed into a small compass in my brain. And he said whatever things he didn't know firstly, that whatever things he was thinking just from many years, now he had taken knowledge about those things and stored into his brain. I know that I am wiser than all of you, and after reading a lot of books, after getting a lot of knowledge, he said, now I became wiser than other all people of the outside world, and I despise your book. And now he said, I hate your books, despise the wisdom, I hate this knowledge and the blessings of this word. Even he said he hate the blessings of the word or the things which he get in his life. It is all worthless because according to lawyer, he said these all things are not valuable. Worthless meaning is not valuable. Fleeting meaning is moving fast. Deceptive meaning is not real, means whatever things he had, he would lose these all things at a short period of time. Deceptive, and these all things are not real. Like a marriage meaning is something that is not real, or it is just like a daydream. Marriage, we can say daydreaming. It is just like a daydream that you may be proud, wise and fine, but death will, means either you are proud, either you are intelligent, or you are with fine health, but when you will die, it these all things will wipe you off the face of the earth. Means you will not be able to take these all things with you, as though you were no more than mice burrowing under the floor, and you will be just like a mice who would be buried under the floor. And your posterity meaning is succeeding generation, your history, your immortal geniuses. Immortal meaning is long lasting, means which can't be dead. Genesis will burn or freeze together with the earthly globe. And when you will die, then these all things which you are getting in your life, these all things will not go with you. Even your generation, next generation, whatever you had done in the past or whatever things you had done in your life, these will be burnt with your body, or they will be frozen together with the earthly globe. They will mix in the earth. You have lost your reason and taken the wrong path. And he said to the banker that he didn't have any reason, and he had taken, without thinking, he had taken the path which is wrong. He had taken lies for the truth. At the place of truth he had chosen lies. And hideousness meaning is ugliness, for beauty. At the place of beauty he had chosen ugliness. So I marvel meaning is wonder. And lawyer said, he is surprised at you who exchange heaven for earth. And he is surprised to think that who would choose heaven at the place of earth. I don't want to understand you. And even lawyer said that I don't want to understand that how you had done these all things to prove to you in action how I despise all that you live by. But and he said that I don't want to give you any proof. But he just said that he despised the life which human is living, or the banker is living. I renounce the 2 million. Renounce meaning is give up. Means I am leaving these 2 millions of which I once dreamed. As at the starting of the bet, he had dreamt that he would get a lot of money of as paradise, and he would live his life as he was living in the heaven, and which now I despise. But now I hate this money. To deprive myself of the right to the money, I shall go out from here 5 hours before the time fixed. And he said to leave this money, that I will not take this money. And for this he would go out from that lodge 5 hours before the time fixed. Means before the bet will over, before 5 hours the bet will over, he would leave this lodge and so break the contract. And he's told the banker to break this bet, or to break this contract. Means he said he didn't want his money. When the banker had read this, he laid the page on the table. He kept the page back on the table, kissed the strange man on the head, and went out of the lodge and moved out from the room. And at that time he was weeping. At no other time had he felt so great a contempt meaning is uh, hate. Means he was hating, he started hating himself, that why he had done, or why he had kept this bet. When he got home he lay on his bed, but his tears and emotions kept him for hours from sleeping. Means he was not able to sleep at that night. Next morning, the watchman ran in with a pale face, and with fear on his face, the watchman came to the banker and told him he had seen the man who lived in the lodge climbed out of the window. Means the lawyer jumped out of the window into the garden, and from garden he went to the gate and disappeared. Means he had left the lodge, he had ran from the lodge. The banker went at once. Firstly he went to with the servants to the lodge, so that he can check that whether the watchman was speaking truth or not, and made sure of the flight of his prisoner. And he wanted to make sure that actually the prisoner had run. To avoid arousing meaning is bringing up unnecessary talk, so that the people would not talk unnecessarily about the bet or about the lawyer or the banker, he took from the table the writing. He took page which letter he had read at the last night. He took that page in which the millions were renounced meaning is gave up. Means in which he had uh, uh, rejected those 2 millions, and went. When he got home, locked it up in the fireproof safe, and by coming back at home, he kept that letter in his fireproof safe.